Hello and welcome. I'm Annie Turner, editor of Mobile Europe, and today we're talking about how CSPs transform BSS with Ericsson. CSPs want to offer differentiated connectivity services to leverage their 5G investments and to accelerate their journey towards autonomous networks. This shift is impossible without transforming the BSS. Ericsson is a leader in BSS transformation, and today we have Sonal Bhutani, Strategic Project Manager, and Mohit Bhargava, who's Product Marketing Manager in Ericsson OSS BSS. And they are going to discuss how Ericsson is helping CSPs achieve BSS transformation. Welcome to you both. Maybe we can start with you, Sonal.
Sure. Annie, hello.
Hello, nice to see you. What challenges do CSPs face during BSS transformation, and how do you help them overcome these challenges?
Sure, Annie. The common themes that I hear really center around how CSPs have a fragmented BSS landscape, which means each technology vendor bringing their own stack. For example, charging coming from one, core commerce coming from another one, and mediation coming from yet another one. This multi-vendor landscape lacks unified end-to-end accountability. They want to achieve their own technical KPIs, but the overarching business goal is missed. The way we overcome this challenge is by replacing their fragmented BSS with digital monetization platform, which is end-to-end Ericsson BSS solution. It unifies core commerce and monetization into one solution and provides the holistic end-to-end solution for the transformation at scale. Now, the other challenge is there could be customers wanting to transform only gradually. For example, only monetization part first, followed by core commerce, or vice versa. Our solution overcomes this challenge as we have modular composable architecture and it helps them in stepwise transformation. So DMP solution is functionally very rich and supports all line of businesses, be it B2B, B2B2X, mission critical, and we also support in monetization of differentiated connectivity, API exposure. So the focus is quite simple, which is to help CSPs to easily transform, deliver better, and get paid.
Well, maybe easier said than done. Please, could you give us some real life examples of BSS transformation?
Of course. One of the projects I'm really proud of is Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison, which is a leading CSP in Indonesia. When we started, their BSS environment was very fragmented. There were 5 different vendors from which it had bits and pieces of all the applications. It made everything very, very difficult for them, right from operations to upgrades, and all the complexities and inefficiencies were there. We replaced it by our digital monetization platform solution, and it was really a big move towards simplification and modernization. We also took over complete accountability of their managed services from level 1 to level 4. 8 million postpaid and 83 million prepaid subscribers are migrated to this new platform, and we are really, really proud of it. Many KPIs were also improved in all this. 70% reduction in order to activation, 60% reduction in time to market. So these are just a few KPIs which I have highlighted. It was a really proud moment for all of us and for such a large scale transformation, Annie.
Yeah, those are very impressive numbers, and what is one of the world's very biggest markets. Thank you very much, Sonal. Mohit, hello.
Annie.
Which customer segments do you help transform?
Mission critical services are essential services like public safety, utilities, defense, railways, which are important for public and national interest. Now, these services require communication networks that are resilient, secure, and reliable. Ericsson not only provides these networks, but also business and operation support systems to run these mission critical networks. A recent example I can talk about is emergency service networks in United Kingdom. where Ericsson and IBM are providing the core network as well as the business support system to run these mission critical network and transform the frontline emergency services. We are enabling over 300,000 emergency responders like police forces, ambulance services, fire services, providing them better access to technology and faster access to data in the emergency situation. So these emergency respondents can send live images, data, reports, and public information during time-critical rescue and response operations.
Okay, those are quite big numbers of people you're supporting there in mission-critical applications. Can we talk about AI, which is impacting every industry and every area, it seems. How is AI enabling BSS transformation?
Absolutely. No conversation today is complete without AI. So in telecom, we see AI not only making impact in improving efficiencies, but also enhancing customer experience and boosting revenue. At Ericsson, we are providing more than 20 AI, agentic AI, and GenAI applications that helps to enhance BSS as well as accelerate the BSS transformation. And I'll explain this with some examples. So one of the AI applications we are offering is guided selling. So guided selling is basically a GenAI chatbot for enterprise customers of CSPs that enable them to find the right telecom product for their business. So it creates that personalized experience as well as enhance the customer experience. Another application I can think of is the product configuration assistant. Now, this is again a GenAI chatbot that automates the process of creating product offers and configuring them in the product catalog. So it brings efficiencies in terms of time and cost. Another application is intelligent invoice anomaly detection, which detects the anomalies in your invoices and bills, and it prevents those bill shocks and averts that customer dissatisfaction that customer would face due to wrong bills. Then there are applications like next best offer, similar interest recommendation, churn prevention. All these help CSPs to upsell and cross-sell their products and boost their revenues. Customer experience, revenues, efficiencies, all these are the benefits which AI bring in. But what I'm talking about is not just these experimental apps. We are actually putting them in market. We are helping CSPs to get the value of AI. So one of the examples I can think of is a leading CSP in US where we have put our order fallout detection and prediction AI use case. Now this AI use case predicts order fallout 30 minutes ahead of time. And the results have been phenomenal. I mean, we have seen 95% reduction in order failures at this operator. So AI as such brings unlimited possibilities in BSS and BSS transformation.
Okay, well, again, some really very impressive numbers, Mohit. Thank you. So all it remains now for me is to thank Sonal and Mohit for sharing those insights and spending the time with us. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, Annie.
Thank you.